Hello guys, and welcome back to another Beamable Airdrop video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the latest update, which is the BMB Cred. Now, I notice a lot of people don't really get this. This is why I've decided to create a video for this. Now, let's head to the home section. From the home section right here, if you join Beamable Network already, and you come over to this very hamburger sign at the bottom left hand corner of your screen, you're going to see this whole function. Now, this is where the whole thing happens. If you haven't watched my previous video, you might want to go watch that now. I explained a lot, and I also explained how to connect your Solana wallet correctly so that you don't face any issue at all. Okay, so we're talking about the BMB Creds. Now, if you click on the hamburger sign, on this very page is going to pop up, and this is what you're going to see right here, the BMB Cred. Now, if you click on BMB Cred right here, you're going to see the daily check-in and the get BMB box. So Wealth Magnet with Dre said the dailies are not there anymore, and I replied by saying yes, it's just ended. All right, now Wealth Magnet with Dre, if you're watching this right now, you can go back because the dailies are now available via BMB Cred. Okay, and to do the dailies, of course, you click on this BMB Cred you see right here, and you check for the day. Okay, I believe if this end and the airdrop is not over, we will get to start another one. Now, this is going to be ending in 30 days, meaning you still have 30 days. If you're watching this right now, then consider yourself one of the lucky ones. Okay, I'm going to be telling you why in a moment. After this, if I click on this hamburger sign again, you're going to see the get BMB boxes. Right, I'm going to click on get BMB boxes, and this is going to load up. Let's just give it a moment. Okay, and you can see this very stock is limited, so once you see this very video, make sure you grab this quick. I'm going to click on 1000, and you can see right here the amount, the total cost is 1000, and I'm going to click on purchase. I think this is going to be bought with our points. I'm going to click on purchase right now. I don't really know how this works, but it says congratulations, BMB box has been added to your inventory. Right, so we have successfully bought this, and if you notice right here, 364,940 plus has been sold. Guys, this is a solid project. I've not seen something like this for a long time. This is the reason I've decided to bring this to you, to compensate for the Telegram airdrops we have been wasting our time on. Now, just in case you don't know, Beamable aims to create a decentralized community powered network for game developers. Right, they handle the whole stuff, the whole back-end stuff, providing scalable back-end infrastructure through a DePIN model. Now, if you don't know what DePIN means, this is actually a DePIN project. For those of us who don't know what this means, this is actually an acronym for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network. Right, so Beamable is one of the DePIN projects out there that has just launched, and this is one thing you shouldn't miss. I'm going to head over to my Twitter right now to show you something real quick. We're on the Beamable Twitter handle right now, and if you look right here, this post was made on October 7th, and if you look right here, you see that this project has raised 13.5 million in seed funding. Right, this project has raised 13.5 million. This project is backed by Solana and 9 other projects. I'm going to show you that real quick. If you look right here, you can see Solana, and if I click on it right now, you notice that Solana is actually following these guys. If we also come over to cryptorank.io, you get to see that these are the 9 projects that are following them, and you can see 13.5 million funding right here. And if I click on this 9+ icon you see right here, you notice that the investors currently for Beamable Network is P2 Ventures, Solana Foundation, which you can see here, Advanced Capital, Skytel Digital, Permit Ventures, and so much more. So these guys have raised 13.5 million in funding, so like they're good to go. But that's not all. That is not all. If I scroll down right now, let me just quickly scroll down and show you something interesting. So if you scroll down right here right now, you're going to see this very post right here. You can see this was reposted by Beamable, and this is from SEU Network. Now it says we are excited to support Beamable with another grant helping to superchange game development on SEU. From dynamic NFT to ZK login, their expanded tools makes integrating SEU blockchain tech into Unity game and Unreal Engine smoother than ever. Now, with SEU Network openly backing Beamable, guys, the trust score is, I should say, above 70% for this very project. Okay, this project is going to cook well for its community. I mean, a lot of people are actually not doing this right now. So if you're seeing this, you're one of the lucky ones. The last project SEU Network backed was Walrus, and Walrus cooked for its community. So this is something you shouldn't miss for anything. If I also scroll down again, of course, you can see SEO and Beamable. So SEO is also giving them grants. SEO and Solana is supporting this. SEO and Solana has jumped into this. What is still holding you back? The link of this very project is in the description. Let's say you use that as a compensation for creating this very video for you. Alright, let's head back to the Beamable site right now. For you to begin benefiting from this, you have to click on start. I explained this in my previous video. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video and in the pinned comment, right? If you click on start right now, then you make sure that you complete the first task, which is linking your Twitter account, which is this. If you don't link your Twitter account, you won't be able to do anything in this very app. After that, you move to the endpoint section. Okay, this is another important section where you earn points. Okay, and if you come over to the quest board right here, you're going to see a couple of tasks you need to perform. Make sure you perform all of them. They are usually Twitter tasks. A good amount of them are Twitter tasks. Once you perform them, you get to claim 500 points for actually doing each and every one of those tasks. Now we have the invite chain, right? And this is the reward you get. You get BMB Cred for inviting people. Just a few days ago, they weren't giving any reward for inviting people, but right now they have introduced the BMB Cred and they are now asking you to go ahead and invite someone and benefit from this. But if you decide not to invite anyone, you still get to benefit from this very airdrop, but you stand a higher chance of getting a bigger allocation when you invite someone. If you want to invite anyone at all, you can come over to this very place and click on the invites button right there and you get your invite link right here. Like I said, my invite link is in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. I repeat, do not miss Beamable for anything. Another reason is Beamable is one project that have come to stay. They are trying to do something that no one has done before in the gaming aspect. So this is one reason you shouldn't joke with this very project. Okay, they are currently trending #1 on DePIN Hub, right? And they use this notcoin slang, which is probably nothing. Let's head over to DePIN Hub to confirm things for ourselves. Okay, this is depinhub.io right now, and you can see right here, this is not a fake news. They are currently trending #1 out of all the projects on this very platform, right? Beamable is actually ranking #1. Okay, if I refresh this right now, let me just go ahead and refresh it so you can see this is not a picture or anything, right? So this is it right here. So this project is something you should hop into right away. Do not fade at all. With this, we've come to the end of this video. If you have any question regarding this, leave your question in the comments. But if you did enjoy the video, then leave a like and share for greater exposure. If this is your first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that whenever I drop new videos about Beamable Airdrop, you'll be one of the first to get notified. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.